Let's have a look at some isomers. Here I have hexane, which is a 6 carbon, and if I take off one carbon at the end with its methyl group and replace that somewhere else, now I've made exactly the same number of carbons, hydrogens. I didn't have to go to the Snatoms box to get out more hydrogens or more carbons, but now I've got a pent group here. This is pentane, and it's got a methyl group at carbon number 2. If I remove this from here, I can place it on carbon number 3. This is 3-methyl pentane. I can take it off and I can put it on carbon number 4. But we haven't got 4-methyl pentane, because if we turn this round and look at it from a different direction, we can see this is still 2-methyl pentane. This is the advantage of looking at this with these models rather than trying to write this down. I could perhaps take off yet another methyl group and place it in a different position. And now I've got 2 methyl groups. So I've got 2,3-dimethyl butane. And we can get clever and we can take off this and put it somewhere else, but it's not necessarily what you expect. I feel, having done this, I've made myself butane with an ethyl group. But if we count up the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got a pentane, and this time the pentane has got a 1-methyl group on it. So this is 3-methyl pentane. Let's put it back as it was. And instead of having just hydrogens, let's put in an alcohol group. So this is hexanol. If I take the alcohol off of this carbon at the end and place it onto the next one along, we've now got hexan 2-ol. Take off there, put it on the third one, hexan 3-ol. But if I place it onto carbon number 4, we're back with hexan 3-ol. It's just the other way round. We can do more interesting things if we look at carbons with double bonds. So if I take off this hydrogen and replace the system with a double bond O, I've got here an al group, so this is hexanal. And if I take this one off of here and place it onto carbon number 2, then what I've managed to make is not an ethanal group, but this is a ketone. This is hex 2-one. The double bond O group is in a different position and therefore here reacts very differently.